This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, March 20th, 2011. Let's first take a look at the satellite picture from last evening. You can see a large expanse of cloudiness extending across the northern plains westward into the Rockies, and there's this big, huge low pressure just west of San Francisco that will be coming in by Tuesday. Here's the watch warning map. You can see California strewn with watches, warnings, advisories. Flood watch in North Dakota due to snow melt in that area. Elsewhere in the country is dry. Here's something you don't see much of lately. This is the Day 1 severe weather outlook. A slight risk of severe weather mainly south of a Des Moines to Dubuque line and southeast. This is for today and tonight. As you can see, here's the hail outlook. You can see the 15 percentile area south of the Dubuque to Des Moines line. That'll be the main threat. And this is the tornado outlook. 2% chance. It's not likely there will be a tornado, but they're taking their bet there could be brief ones. Here's the QPF chart over the next 5 days. This is through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock. You can see lots of rain. This takes into effect today's rain and Tuesday's rain. And let's take a look at it here with the 0Z GFS model run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a vortex west of the state. There's that big upper level low over the Pacific Northwest. Down below that, you can see thunderstorms could be in progress at the time over the state. It'll be interesting to find out where they will develop and move through. We move ahead to 7 o'clock. You can see some precipitation is still in the state, but it looks like most of the severe weather threat will be from about noon until about 7 or 8 o'clock, and then the threat should wane after sunset. We move ahead to Monday at 1 p.m. You can see that little system has moved to the northeast, and the new one is forming just to the west, more moisture west of the state. Here's Tuesday at 1 p.m. You can see that system is kicking out a vortex west of the state with a southwesterly flow aloft. Down below, a low pressure near Sioux City. This could be another threat of severe weather here, with some more rain or showers and thunderstorms. Now this is the NAM model at the same time period. 1 p.m. Tuesday shows the low a little further to the south with a warm front over just south of the state, so it'd be interesting to find out where this warm front sets up. By Wednesday, back to the GFS, that storm is long gone. You can see if the 540 line is over the northern part of the state, so if some precipitation could mix with some snow at the end. By Thursday, cooler temperatures, drier, as the precipitation has now moved to the east, so cooler weather will reign at the end of next week. We move to Friday, another system moves in. The colder air is still entrapped in the northern part of the state, so some of that could be in the form of some rain or snow. We move ahead to Saturday. That could be the same, maybe rain, snow, cold rain or snow there. And then next Sunday, precipitation over the southern part of the state as a storm moves south of the state and off to the northeast. We go to Voodoo Country. This is Wednesday, March 30th. You can see a vortex west of the state with a little broad trough over the western part of the country down at the surface. That could mean some interesting weather, cold rain, maybe some sleet or snow possible. Too early to tell. And at the end of the forecast period on Monday, April 4th, a large trough over the eastern part of the country, ridge over the west, and down below at the surface, you can see colder air. That could mean some cold rain or some snow possible by that point. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll keep you up to date on any severe weather that comes.